This is in Dalian, but the outskirts of Dalian. Technically still in the city. And I just did a video a couple minutes ago of the beautiful temple that's behind here. And as the person said, I could not take video with people in it, inside the temple. So you can sort of see a bit of it there. But anyway. But what's really neat about this is, I'll just come back here, is there's the city, the main part of the city right there. Downtown, look at these big buildings, the outskirts, and we see right there, there's the radar tower for the airport. And a lot of people like to, when they have a piece of land, like to grow some food and sell it. So we just end up picking cherries, and it's hard to see from here because of the sun, but that mountain over there, that hill, about a month ago we climbed all right up there. We went over the ridge. We climbed over the ridge, and the water is well, to the right of me. So when we were up there, we were able to see the sea and also the city. So that was a really hard climb, actually. Very challenging, quite steep in places, and actually a little bit dangerous, to be honest. But we really enjoyed ourselves. So anyway, there's just a little bit of Dalian, part of Dalian I've never seen before. And so it's really nice to see these jewels that I never knew existed, and it's I love to explore new places and to find cool places like this. So, yep, I'm gonna miss Dalian a lot, but we'll be back, and hopefully we'll come back to here because this is actually very close to the cherry farm that Renee's family's friends own. So we'll be back again because again, they're friends of the family, so they let us come often to pick cherries. I mean, of course we give them some money for the cherries, but it's nice that you don't have to pay an entrance fee. Most people have to pay quite a bit of money to get in to pick cherries, and then you pay for the cherries you buy. But they let us in for free, and we just pay for the cherries we pick. So here's just the outside of the temple. And again, there's that mountain again. If I can zoom in here, right there. Yeah, so we were way up there. That little tower you see, yep, I touched that tower. And from there, we were able to look over, again, to the right and see the sea. Okay, I think everyone wants to go, so I'm gonna stop this video. And goodbye, old friend, for now, old friend Dalian. And we'll be back next year.